Okay, so why don't we bring him closer so he can see everything I'm doing, because I'm going to do the same thing for you.
What's his hand on the wheel?
Watch the, yeah. Okay, bring him over here. Okay.
Hey, it's me. I'm back.
There we go. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm running a meter on his spine to see where the electrical is off, to where the switches are off, okay? You see this instrument right now? This is just finger from my, or heat from my finger. Okay. Can you feel? Give me your hand. Okay. So now let's go ahead and scope OJ. Head down, please. All right. Start at the base of the neck. And we can see a little bit of pressure up top here. There we go. All right. We've got some around C2, C3. Head down, please. Just going to mark that area and we'll check it in a bit. We dropped down to your S3, I believe, last time, OJ. Further down. Good. A little bit at the base of the neck there. All right. OJ, I want to see if you can get housing close by here on Blvd. You have UCLA housing here on Blvd.
Oh yeah.
So you're close to me. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, right here at Blvd and National. There's a whole row of apartments, UCLA. We've got a lot of work to do this year with you. And we got quite a bit at the base. Okay. All right, so we got, let's recheck. When I would push hard, there was no feeling whatsoever. He couldn't feel certain things that I was doing when we were doing sensory tests. Reflexes were very spastic. You know, pushing on his sacrum. I mean, he'll jump up now because of the pain, where before he had no feeling whatsoever. Okay.
Nico, agarrarlo porque se sale checa.
Needs his toe?
No, I'm just telling him to hold him because he will.
He'll go forward, yeah? Okay. T8. Sacrum. 7 and 3. Okay, so what we're going to do is, why don't we start with the sacrum down here. We're going to go left side down. All right. Put some paper there. On 3. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. And forward. There. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the side. There we go. Now, let's find the button here. There. Lean forward. There it is. Got it. Cool. And a little bit of flexion and find a little pressure point here that allows us to do it, otherwise it doesn't move. Okay. Just let it forward a bit. There you go, my friend. Showtime. Let's do this. We're doing an S3 pull. There we go. Nice and easy there. Perfect. Home run. Now, let's straighten this out. And time? You're good, right? Okay. Now, you can help me transfer him over there since he's got his wheelchair. Okay. And let's bring him next to Dad so Dad can watch him. Okay. Now, what I want you to do when we bring you up, I want to see you do this. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Where is brother?
You can have the same one.
Okay. Slowly, he'll lift up. Okay. Sandrine, come over here, please. So I just want to see if there's any movement in this right leg. Okay. So when he starts the spasm, let's just find a spot here to relax it. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Up. Nice. Let's do it again. One more time, please. Focus. 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 Okay. No spasms is the key. Just let him stand there for a minute. Okay. Let's not transfer you. We're just gonna hold. He'll lift up. There we go. All right, OJ. You've had a few more last week than normal? Spasms?
No, it's just today. Actually.
Just today, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Just focus on your breathing, please. Good. Just bring this down. Perfect. Shoulders down, please. I want to get this T2 now. Good. Now we'll get the rest of this and this on the chair. So we're going to lift you up. Okay. Now, let's stop for a second. Let's see that right leg again. Do it again. Nice.
Nice. Yeah, that was good.
Very nice. Let's see one more. Kick it out that way if you can. Yes!
Good job, man.
Good job. One more time. Out to the side. I like it. Now. Okay. That's sweet. Bring forward. Okay. Now it's time for the neck.